Hi, Chris is here, a co-founder of NutriBot, a meal prep software, and at today's video I would like to cover how to automate your marketing communication thanks of Zapier tool. So let's jump in. As always, I would like to start from a little piece of the theory. If you have watched my last video, I've mentioned about the different kind of contact types, and we discussed about the communication based on the segmentation, and this knowledge is quite important here, so I am introducing you to watch this video. And to briefly summarize what we've mentioned, here are different kind of contacts. So there is all traffic, all website traffic, top interested leads, willing to pay, and customers. And many times, if we think about the CRMs, we think about all the process, but it is good to understand the differences between the marketing communication and transactional communication, because not all CRMs cover this part. And even if we think about the NutriBot, so when we started designing NutriBot, we called ourselves that we are the CRM for meal prep industry. But if we go deeper, if we dive deeper, we recognize that we are more like the e-commerce tool with the ERP part. So the ERP with the e-commerce and the part of the CRM than the really great CRM, because we are covering the whole production, dietitian, logistics layers, and also relationships with the customers. So the green part here, but we can't cover all the marketing processes. There is a lot of tools at the market which are focusing on the marketing communication. So for the leads, for the old customers, and different kind of automatic communication. And to be honest, I believe that if you think about your lead generation process, about your marketing in the serious way, you should consider that kind of tool. For example, the HubSpot marketing automation tool or something like that. So if you would like to automate your communication to these topics, it is great to use your e-commerce tool or CRM tool like the NutriBot one, but the communication you can cover by the different kind of automatic tools. And I would like to show you how to do that thanks of the Zapier. If you haven't heard about the Zapier before, I recommend to go to the zapier.com website. It is the huge multi-integrator, so it integrates a lot of tools. So it can integrate your CRM tool or any other kind of tool, ERP tool, with different kind of marketing automation tools like the email marketing tool or even simple Gmail, text messaging, or whatever else. So you can take your customer details and connect them with different communication tools, and based on different triggers you can automate the communication. And I would like to show you some kind of examples, and as always I am showing you the examples based on the NutriBot CRM, our software, but you can use this advice on any other tool. If you are using Excel sheet or the third-party e-commerce tool like the Shopify, you can use this knowledge in your software as well. If we go back to the Zapier, this is the Zapier dashboard. The first step is, of course, going to the NutriBot or your software, and you should export your data. I have fake data here, and what I can do, I can, for example, filter my orders starting from the 1st of December, and I can export this file. I can choose all the data I would like to export and save it on my drive. Then if I already export it, it should look like that. So there is all data I have in the software. So there is my client's names, your plan, when they place an order, when the order is start, when the order is finished, the order period, the value, and all the important information are here. In NutriBot, regarding the page you're exporting, so from the orders, customers, deliveries, and so on, there is a different kind of data available to the export. So we use the list of orders at this example. And what I would like to do is opening this Excel sheet, this file in the Google Drive, to make it as a Google Sheet file. Okay, and as you can see, I have it here. So this is the same file opened in the Google Sheet. This is the step number 2. So I need to convert or copy the file to the Google Sheet. And if you create that kind of file, then you can go back to the Zapier, because we will create a rule based on the changes in this file. So we will export the data from the NutriBot, and we will import them to this file, and based on the changes, the Zapier will send the different kind of communication. So if we have the Google Sheet file, if we go back to the Zapier dashboard, we would like to create new Zap. Zap, they called the workflows as Zaps. So we would like to create the new Zap, the new workflow. We can call it, for example, discounts for renewals or something like that. So after naming, we should create the trigger. The trigger means that the first step based on which the whole workflow will be fired. So I will choose the Google Sheet here. I need to choose an event when it will trigger the workflow. So it will be the new or updated spreadsheet. Continue. There is my Google account. Continue, and I need to choose my spreadsheet. After choosing the spreadsheet, I need to choose the worksheet, so this is the first tab, and any column here, and then continue. Then there is a test, so the Zapier will test the connection, and it is good. I can check the different kind of columns and different parameters which I can find in my connection, and it looks correct. We will use it later, and continue with selected records. Then after choosing the trigger, I need to make some kind of filter because I don't want to communicate with all the clients. I just want to use only part of the clients. So in this case, I would like to send the communication to the clients which order have finished in last 2 days, for example, in last days. So they haven't renewed their orders, and my idea is to send them the discount code to renew their orders. So I need to filter the whole database, so I will use the filter feature. Then in the first field, I will choose the order date to. So this column shows me when the order will finish and the conditions. So there will be the date, time before, and I will put it here, today. So if their order finish earlier than today, and what else I need to do. And I would like some kind of limitation because daily, I would like to update this database daily, so I don't want to send the same message to the customer's order than yesterday. So it will be great if I will choose the order date after and today, so I will choose yesterday here, but because I don't have the great data, I will choose different kind of rule here, today minus 7 days. So it will send the communication, or it will filter all the clients with the order date which have finished since today to the up to 7 days before. So it is my rule. I can continue and I can check if there is that kind of records. Okay, it shows me that this specific record haven't met this rule, but if I continue and go back here, I can choose a different. Okay, there is an example with 5 of January, continue with selected record, and based on this selected record I can make my test. So nothing's changed, only my test will be different, and after retesting it shows me that this specific record met this requirement, so that's good. And I will continue, and then if the rule will find the clients which have finished the order, I would like to make some action. So there was a trigger, the filter, and the action. And in this step, I would like to send them the email message and the WhatsApp communication. And you can use whatever you want. So the Zapier have connection with over 5,000 tools. So you can use, for example, MailerLite tool or different kind of marketing automation tools like the HubSpot or the newsletter tools or the text messages tools. For example, even the Zapier have the text messages tools like the SMS by Zapier, so you can send the text messages to your clients. So it is up to you how you would like to connect with your clients. I will show you the example with the simple email based on the Gmail connection and the WhatsApp message thanks of the timelines connection. By the way, I really love the timeline AI tool to use for the WhatsApp communication. I will try to record another video about this specific tool and how to use it for the WhatsApp, but today we will focus on the automation at all thanks of Zapier. So the first step will be sending the the email message. I will choose the Gmail here. Then I need to choose an event, so I would like to send the email. Then I need to choose my account. I have already chosen account, continue, and choose an action. So I would like to send an email to, and I need to choose from this condition the column with the customer email, which is here. So I will choose this one. Then CC, I can send CC to me, but doesn't matter. From, I have different accounts on my Gmail account, so I need to choose the correct one. It will be decrease from reply to subject. And we can create something like name. Your meal plan has ended. Grab a discount. Something like that. And then there is a body as a plain text, for example, and the body will be hi. And it can be something, you of course can create the discount code in the NutriBot software in my case, or in your e-commerce tool, like for example, it will be the individual code or whatever. It can be the 20% the discount code for you, renewal 20. Okay, and this is our body. Of course, you can create it in different type. I can choose my signature from Gmail. It will be this one, and I can label it, the attachments, whatever. Continue, and I can check my email here and test the step. Okay, it looks good. We have the email prepared, so I would also like to add the WhatsApp communication. So then I will choose the timeline AI tool, and I will choose the event as the send message to new chat. Then continue. I need to connect my account, continue, and of course if you don't have the timeline AI account, you need to go to their website and create an account, and then you can connect with the Zapier. And then as the action, I need to choose one of my available numbers. I have a few here, so it will be the NutriBot support number. Then there is a phone number for which we would like to send the communication. So I will take it from the column with the telephone number. So this is the number, and then there is the text message. And similar, I need to personalize it a little bit. So I will send hi, Chris, and that's it. It can look like that. Continue. There is my WhatsApp message test step, and it looks correct. Okay, now I can publish it. And what I should do after publishing, I can check my Zapier history. Okay, and if I go to Zap history, I can track if it has been fired or not. So what I need to do right now, if I go to my Google Sheet file, right now after each update of this document, the Zapier will check it, will check the column order date too, and if it will meet our requirements, then it will send the communication. So what I should do, right at the first time, I can just put the trigger and check if it works or not. So for example, I will change the date here and enter, and after a few seconds it should fire my communication. So if I go to my WhatsApp, I can see that I just received the discount code. So the message we prepared: hi Chris, we recognize that your meal plan has finished. We prepared a 20% discount code for you. Renewal code is here. Hope you enjoy it. So this is the WhatsApp message here, and I received it from my NutriBot support telephone number. And if we check the inbox, and there is a Chris, your meal plan has ended, grab a discount. So it is the email I just received. And as you can see, we recognize that your meal plan has ended. There is the end date. We prepared a 20% discount code for you, renewal 20. Hope you enjoyed. Of course, it will be better if we create the better text. For example, you can reorder your meal here, and we can add the direct URL to the client panel, for example, or to the ordering website. And it will be better because there will be the CTA included. But in general, I would like to show you how you can automate it and what you should do then. If you once create that kind of workflow, then what you need to do is just daily go to the NutriBot, filter the list, or even not filter, export all the information to the Excel file, just copy all the rows daily, go back to the Google Sheet, you can delete all the rows and once again paste them here. After this pasting, after saving, the Zapier will check once again what have been changed and automatically triggered all the workflows. So it will check all the dates and choose the suited clients, and they will send the communication to them. So it is why I limited the order date to the last few days, because if we not limit it, it will send daily the same information. So it is good to create some kind of brackets, the starting bracket and the ending bracket. And based on that kind of rules, you can create tons of different kind of communication. You can base all the workflows or for example the one Google Sheet, and if you update them daily, for example each day morning, one of your team members can export all the information from the ordering list, import them here, and the Zapier will do everything for you. So they will send the WhatsApp communication, the text message communication, the email communication, and whatever else you would like to send. I hope it will be helpful for you, and it will help save you a lot of time, and it will help you create your marketing communication much more powerful. I introduce you to watch my last video about the customer segmentation, and if you connect the customer segmentation rules, approaches with these automations, you can raise your customer experience on the high professional level, and I wish you this. See you in the next video. Bye.